Hello dear all beautiful students, welcome all again here for joining another new class. We are coming here for joining the chapter 5 on biology, and the today's topics is elementary system. Accordingly, the many of the parts. Elementary system. Say about the elementary system is actually the elementary canal, canal running from mouth to anus. Canal running from mouth to anus. So this one we will try to understand today about the elementary system. Canal running from the mouth to anus is called the elementary canal. It is asking for one more short question also. So in which we go through understanding about that part. Yes, so the main part of the elementary canal is first one is the mouth. We will try to understand the mouth, starting point of the elementary canal. It transverse opening below to the nostrils bounded by the lips. That means we can say about the mouth, it is the first part, and then we can write about here that it is a transverse opening. It is a transverse opening. Is a transverse opening below the nostrils. And bounded. It is bounded by lips. It is bounded by lips and food digestion starts here. Yes, so we try to learn about the elementary canal and what is the actually parts is going on there. We are getting understand from that one. And first of all, we are connecting here for understanding the meaning of the part of elementary canal, and if it is going on there, what we will understand. Mouth is the first part. I write the first part. What is the first part? Because we know the elementary system and elementary canal. If we try to understand on that time, mouth is termed as the first part of the elementary canal, and it is a transverse opening below the nostrils. Look at here, this is the nostrils and this is the mouth, just below the nostril, transverse opening. It is bounded by lips. We know that the mouth is actually bounded by lips. We open and close the mouth for bounding the lips. And food digestion, when any kinds of food we take inside, that times the digestion is started from the mouth, then go to the swallowing and digestion in the stomach, then intestine, like that. But starting digestion is happening in the mouth. So this one is the first part, and then later on buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. Yes, now we'll try to understand about the buccal cavity. It is contained the salivary gland and teeth. Salivary gland and teeth. What we actually where we got that teeth also having cutting, grinding and chewing the foods for making the small pieces, and with the help of the function of the tongue. Okay, and then with tongue, the small piece actually mastication move the food, and salivary gland, saliva they can secrete and move the food, and saliva mixed with food plus food saliva mucin, it is also containing like that. I will just make it sure in which that one. Okay, plus I just write in short form, you can write it jaws. Okay. Slippery, and the food turns to be slippery, and swallowing. Yes, I have written there. And then saliva and ptyalin, with the help of ptyalin molds digestion. So look at here what I have written, the many of the important topics in short format. Why it is written here? Because of understanding. Okay, my dear students. Excuse me. Yes, many of you already joining. Jinnatul Nisa, Anika, Abrita, Anika, I'm fine. Hope so. You all, everyone, getting fine. Yes, Sami. Then Samia, Shurovi, Adib also, I am fine also. Azmain, Bokul Jinnat, it is Rafiur, Tahalil. Yes, all of you, everyone, I'm fine, and alaikum assalam everyone. Welcome to the class. Actually, this type of topics, since it is related with the human beings and human body, that times and that types of study is getting hard, because we don't know about many of the things properly. Some term we used in before in our childhood study, that can be easy, but many of the things about human body is difficult, so we need to understand here. Second one is the buccal cavity of the alimentary canal or alimentary system. There is the two main part. One is the salivary gland and another one is the teeth. So salivary gland can produce saliva, we know. Mucin and ptyalin enzyme can contain from there, and teeth also having when we take inside any kinds of food, so cutting, grinding and chewing the food into the small pieces. What the things we need, it make it form it into the small pieces. And with tongue, when the food is making in small pieces, you can write a small here. Yes, with tongue moves the food, plus jaws can help for making the food with more small piece. And then after the food mixed with the saliva, make it the slippery, and when it's slippery, it is needed to getting the swallowing, so we can take the food by swallowing. Okay, and at the same time ptyalin enzyme secretes and molds, make it the mold, we can say the paste chyme like mold, and starting digestion and go through the digestive part to the stomach. Okay, so this is the short way of learning. How can we minimize the topics in this way? So first one is the mouth, second is the buccal cavity, two parts. What is the function of them? How can they make the food in the slippery form, small pieces, make it molds or chyme, and then swallowing and go to the digestive system and can have the digestion started. Ptyalin enzyme, mucin, saliva, this is also important for MCQ question. So my dear students, I hope so you are getting well of understanding about this point. Okay, by the way, now this is the second topics we started. The third one is also very important, and structure of the teeth is also very important. We will start now there. Third one is the teeth. So teeth is also important for asking SQ types of question, MCQ types of question, also very important. Teeth, if we go through understanding, it is the hardest part of the body. We know hardest part of the body, hardest part of the body. Yes. We know the almost 32 number of teeth adult person, and 16 in each jaws. Okay, and milk teeth also we have seen in very childhood age. Milk teeth replaced up to 18 years. We need to know about up to 18 years have chance to replace the teeth. Then after no chance. What excellent machine the human body or human beings, and having the teeth that like that, the teeth can be replaced after 18 years automatically. There is no option. Then after 18 years, when you are getting the mature stage, there is falling, and if you want to get change, no chance. So very important. You can think this type of activities by doing that one. Okay. There are 4 kinds of teeth. We have seen 4 kinds of teeth. We can see and observe. We need to know. This is very important for MCQ also. Incisor. Then we can write canine. Then we can write premolar. Then we can write molar. Premolar and molar. Incisor, cutting and biting foot. Cutting and biting foot. 8. Cutting and biting food, very important. Okay, keep it in mind. Yes, canine. 4. Canine is the tearing and grasping. And premolar, crushing and grinding. Crushing and grinding. I will try to make you understand. And molar, it is also crushing and grinding. Okay, there is another points note is I will give you, that is very important. The last 2 teeth of the gums. Last 2 teeth of the gums called wisdom teeth. 2 teeth called wisdom teeth. Okay, so look at here in opposite page in 110. Okay, in opposite page 110 page, you can see, my dear students, look at here. Incisor is termed as which one? The frontal part, not only each part. This is counting that, sir, why it is not having the 32 is going on there, is actually mentioning the one of the part is actually going on there. Okay, at first I will go through the number of teeth with a minute of while, and then I will try to make you understand. Cutting and biting. So see the incisor teeth there. In opposite page there is figure also. You can open the book and see there this part, incisor, cutting, which is cutting and biting. The frontal part, look at here. In the left part and right part, the four teeth ongoing on there, and that part is actually having the cutting. And then after, later on, we have seen the canine. Look at here, the canine also getting there. Then after, when the incisor, then after canine, see the figure, opposite page of your 110 in your biology book. There we can see the canine, then after canine, and later on it is mentioning in one sided, that means in both side, from middle part, in both side we can their marking is one side, but opposite side also the same teeth is counting as the part. Okay, and we have seen, look at here, then after premolar, these two, then inside, then premolar is going on there. Okay, 4. And then after, very last one is the is counting as the wisdom. I giving the teeth number, wisdom teeth, wisdom teeth is also counting as the 4. Yes, so now it is not actually going on through as the part of the teeth, just it is also counted as the molar teeth. So now we will count actually how it is going on through the 32 teeth is there. Okay, look at here in your figure, just follow the figure, or below that part, just for lowest part, wisdom teeth, our both side and upper and lower similar teeth, 2 at the last teeth, and last teeth, upper jaw and lower jaw. Okay, so 2 to 4 wisdom teeth, last number, see the last number. Okay, it is this one having upper jaw 2 and lower jaw 2, 4 wisdom teeth, 4 is counted. Then come to the molar is having, then after last 2, upper jaw 2, lower jaw 2, then 2 to 4, upper jaw 4, lower jaw 4. So how many we can see there? Total molar teeth, upper jaw, look at here the marking part, the molar in the, suppose upper jaw 2 left side, 2 right side, lower jaw 2 and 2. So it is not actually mentioning here. We write the numbers according to the book, is actually not counting and connecting with that parts. That means it is also counting as upper jaw and lower jaw, 2 to 4, upper jaw 2, then after, see the figure and just match with me, upper jaw 2, okay, at the top it is the 2, lower jaw 2, left side and right side, the molar, we have seen the left side in the molar 2, upper jaw, right side of the upper jaw 2, 4, and at the same time lower, same similar, 2 to 4 is counting this one. Yes, then look at here, then we go through upward, premolar, just after molar, later on 2, another 2, right side of the upper jaw, left side of the upper jaw 4, similarly lower jaw 4, that means 8. It is also 8, but it is given in the book is 4, not actually correct. This one is also counting as 8 also. Okay, then premolar gone, then canine, look at here, canine is given just for having, I saw incisor. First look at here, the big 4, lower 4, 8 incisor, then after canine, this 4 beside 1, single 1, 1, 2, upper 2, lower 2, 4. Now count this one. 8, 12, 20, 28, 34. Total 34 teeth. I can remind you once again. Okay, by the way, incisor, cutting and biting, 8. Now I review once again. 8. Upper 4, lower 4. 8. Cutting and biting. Upper 4, first 4, lower 4. Canine, tearing and grasping. Just one, single one, 4, then one right, one left, below, one right, one left, 4. Canine, tearing and grasping. Anything for tearing and grasping. Premolar, 8. Crushing and grinding, premolar and molar. Premolar. Then after 2 to 4, after canine, upper jaw 2 to 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. Okay, 4 and 4, 8. So premolar is crushing and grinding. Molar, then after 2, upper jaw, right side 2, left side 2, 4. Lower jaw, right side 2, left side 2, 4. So crushing and grinding, 8. And wisdom is counted as not, it is also belongs to the molar, but I have written there last 2 teeth in upper jaw 2, lower jaw 2, 4 are known as the wisdom teeth. It make it the gums. Okay, attached with the teeth of the gums is actually counted as wisdom teeth. This is all about the 32 teeth, and this is the total we have seen the teeth, and tomorrow we will study about the structure of the teeth. That will be very important also topics. I hope so you understand this one. Okay, so I try to understand what kinds of teeth we have seen, and elementary canal we are going through this one. Next class we will meet again. So everyone, till then everyone, stay safe, stay sound. Allah Hafiz.